we are. Small Business Saturday. Ooh, what do we have here? Shop small bags. A lot of shop small bags. Wow. Thank you. This will do a lot of good in our community. Let me just put this to the side here. Table. Lots of bags. Okay, more bags. Probably have 100 of them in here. Some different looking bags. See what the new design looks like. Nice. Oh yeah, this is cool. More bags. So lots of bags. And we've got balloons. Cool. This is for the parties. We've got these things that will hang up by the windows. We have join us for Shop Small November 24th. Cool. We've got the stickers, of course. Plenty of stickers for everybody. We've got buttons. Little packages of buttons. More balloons. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. This is what I'm talking about. Alright, we get hearts. We'll put the hearts over there. Just kind of put it together. We'll put these things over here. And these things over there. Stickers. Buttons. Shop Small Studio. Help your business stand out. Spread the word on social media. Get the word out on your website. Great. Alright, what else do I have? Balloons. This is the real deal here. Posters. Supports your community. Yes. Okay. Alright, got one of these. Perfect. Storefront window. More balloons. One of these. This is great. Look at that. Shop Small. Wow. Yeah, this is cool. Put that over there. And then we've got woohoo! Fourth. Yeah, these are pretty hard. We got a bunch of those. We've got huge vinyl banner. Just beautiful. Shop Small, okay. A little bit later. Because this is really the thing everybody wants. And we got the mats. Wow, cool. That's beautiful. It smells like vinyl. Let's see how many we got. Got a lot of mats. It's going to be great. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 10 mats, and balloons. This is great. All right, Getting ready for Shop Small Saturday.
They represent people as doing immense calculations with